back to pick the ramp truck up. I guess he's had it maybe 48 hours or so. He sent me a video of what he's trading for, and of course it's another C10, because man, he is all about C10s and Chevelles. It's just his thing. I haven't really asked for permission at the guy's place that I'm going to video, so I'll probably hold off on that till I get back. And I'm going to Rockwood area, which is about 40 miles, I guess, from his place on the mountain to pick this truck up. And that dude wheels and deals more than this guy does, believe it or not. He basically does it for a living. But anyway, weather's getting cold here, I guess as is everywhere else. But I appreciate the new subscribers and some of the friends I've made doing this. And if you don't care, give me a like, because it helps with other people seeing my videos and helps YouTube kind of push them so more people can see them. But thanks for watching. I apologize for the phone edit video. Got my computer back today, but I have to reload a lot of stuff on it, so there was no way I could get a video in today or tomorrow after I went through that mess. So I'll get the second half of this video up middle or end of the week that goes along with this truck. And I appreciate y'all sticking with me, and have a good rest of the weekend. Thank you.